thing that's happened on the show?
A recent one that really made me laugh is I've sneezed 2 times in 11 years during an interview. And the most recent time I sneezed, and again, like, I know the sneeze is coming for like 5 minutes, and like the amount of like gymnastics I'm doing with my cerebral cortex to try to find like the handbrake for sneezing. But it was with Polar, and I sneezed, and she's like one of the greatest improvisers I know. And she just goes, hooray! And she stood up and she goes, everybody stand! She goes, when the host sneezes, everybody stands. And the whole audience got up and she was laughing so hard, and I was like, oh my God.